Hello everyone! Do you find that your voice gets tired easily when singing? Or do you feel your throat is blocked or tight? Through the 5 vocal types defined by Voice Cure. Check your vocal type yourself. Each person has a different way of reaching high notes. Some people use excessive breath, while others put a lot of strain on their throat. Some people also excessively raise their larynx when singing. To help you easily understand the patterns of various vocal issues, in Voice Cure, breathing, vocal cords as the first valve, and vocal tract as the second valve. These 3 criteria are used to classify the 5 vocal issues. Now let's just sing a line right away. It's a popular song these days. I'll briefly sing the chorus of Joe Jazz's Don't You Know? Melodies like this. Now everyone, try singing along. Start. Good. Now let's check for any issues. When you sing the notes, are you projecting them as if you're shouting? 기다리는 나를 왜 모르시나요? This type uses excessive breath, resulting in a lack of control over the vocal cords, primary valve, and the vocal tract, secondary valve. Therefore, it is characterized by frequent pitch breaks and difficulty controlling high notes. When singing high notes, does your voice sound heavy and strained? 기다리는 나를 왜 모르시나요? This type excessively closes the vocal cords, primary valve, resulting in a sound that feels strained and pushed, like. High notes do not ascend smoothly, and the sound has a heavy characteristic. When singing, do you feel a lot of tension and constriction in your throat? 기다리는 나를 왜 모르시? This type lacks control over the vocal cords, primary valve, leading to excessive use of extrinsic laryngeal muscles. In high notes, the feeling of constriction and strain in the throat can be strong. Does the sound feel too weak and light to you? 기다리는 나를 왜 모르시나요? This type has all 3 functions: breathing, vocal cords, primary valve, and vocal tract, secondary valve, in a low state. Therefore, the volume is low, and there are many sounds that resemble falsetto or have a lot of falsetto quality. Additionally, it is highly likely to be connected with other vocal issues in a complex manner. Do high notes come out easily? Does the sound feel natural? 기다리는 나를 왜 모르시나요? This type has a well-balanced state of breathing, vocal cords, primary valve, and vocal tract, secondary valve. Breathing should not be excessive, and there should be a proper harmony between the shape of the vocal cords and the vocal tract. Did you find out your vocal type today? Since the solutions differ for each type, I will share solutions tailored to your type in the next episode. For those who use a lot of breath to hit high notes, please make sure to check the next video. If you found this video helpful, you can receive more information by subscribing, liking, and setting notifications. Thank you.